And so the entire industry is kind of destined to be rationalized down to a Bitcoin-focused industry with maybe a half a dozen to a dozen other proof-of-work tokens.
What's up, Crypto Crew, and welcome back. Or if this is your first time, I'm Captain Crypto Mite, actively escaping the matrix, scoping out the crypto ocean. So if you like your odds, get on the boat, stay up to date, thumbs up, and join the hunt.
Into the boat!
Crypto Crew, walk by faith, not by sight. Success during this 2024-2025 bull run depends on the conviction in your crypto picks whilst employing long suffering or patience. And not only so, but we glory in tribulations also, knowing that tribulation worketh patience, and patience experience, and experience hope.
We're always buying Bitcoin quarter by quarter by quarter. It's a long-term strategy. But the most important point for people to understand is that Bitcoin volatility is a feature. It's not a bug. The volatility creates tens of billions of dollars of credit and liquidity at all times, everywhere, to everyone in the world in the short term. Bitcoin's a capital investment you can hold for decades that a corporation, competitor, counterparty, or a country can't take away from you. We look at Bitcoin as cyber Manhattan, so there's never a bad time to buy Bitcoin.
Michael Saylor, the co-founder and executive chairman of MicroStrategy, is one of the most prominent advocates for Bitcoin. But what if I told you there's a chance Michael Saylor might be interested in this lesser-known proof-of-work crypto project called Kaspa? While Saylor has publicly championed Bitcoin as the ultimate store of value, Kaspa's unique features might just catch his attention, or perhaps Saylor and MicroStrategy may already have. Now, as you know, Crypto Crew, Kaspa is a decentralized proof-of-work cryptocurrency that uses a groundbreaking consensus mechanism called the Ghost DAG protocol. Unlike traditional blockchains, which process blocks sequentially, Kaspa's Ghost DAG allows multiple blocks to coexist and be processed simultaneously. This results in faster block times, higher scalability, and improved energy efficiency, all while maintaining the security and decentralization that proof of work is known for. Before we continue today's vid, I'd like you to protect your crypto assets, Crypto Crew. Bitcoin will make new all-time highs, so will Kaspa, and things will be going parabolic soon during this 2024-2025 bull run. So make sure to store your Kaspa on a cold storage. In my opinion, your best option is the Tangem wallet. Plug and play, easy to use, and the best defense for all your cryptocurrency, in my opinion. There's a Black Friday special for you, Crypto Crew. Until December 2nd, you can get 20% off your Tangem wallet. Link in the description box below. Thank you for your support and consideration in advance. And thank you for all who have ordered your Tangem wallet using my referral link. May the Lord Jesus Christ bless you all.
Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best, okay?
Why Kaspa aligns with Saylor's philosophy. A. Energy efficiency. Michael Saylor has often defended Bitcoin's proof-of-work system, arguing that it's the most efficient way to store and channel energy over time. Kaspa takes this idea a step further by optimizing energy use through its innovative protocol, making it a more energy-efficient alternative to traditional proof-of-work systems. B. Decentralization and security. Saylor has repeatedly emphasized the importance of decentralization and security in any cryptocurrency. Kaspa's design ensures a high level of both, which could make it an attractive option for someone like Michael Saylor, who values these qualities above all else. C. Scarcity and store of value potential. Like Bitcoin, Kaspa has a fixed supply, which is a key factor in its potential as a store of value. Saylor has often highlighted the importance of scarcity in creating a reliable monetary asset, and Kaspa's capped supply could align with his investment philosophy. D. Community and innovation. Kaspa has a growing community of developers and supporters who are committed to its long-term success. Saylor has previously stated that a strong and active community is essential for the survival and growth of any cryptocurrency. With these factors in mind, it's easy to see why Kaspa might appeal to Michael Saylor.
You know, one of the rules of Bitcoin is that you have to need to know about Bitcoin before you'll open your mind to it. It's a paradigm shift, and until someone shows you what it can do, and until you get to the point where you do need it, you're not going to embrace a new form of energy. And so MicroStrategy didn't really need Bitcoin until 2020. We realized that all of our capital was kind of a melting ice cube. We had a lot of money that was generating 0% interest, losing 15 to 20% of its value a year. And then we started thinking, maybe there's something else we can invest this money in. And we discovered Bitcoin. Because I had a need to figure it out, I became a believer. And we've become the largest public holder of Bitcoin.
Michael Saylor's transformation from a traditional tech entrepreneur to one of the most vocal Bitcoin advocates is nothing short of remarkable. Saylor's Bitcoin journey began in the summer of 2020 when MicroStrategy made its first purchase of Bitcoin. The company invested $250 million in Bitcoin as part of its treasury reserve strategy, citing concerns about the devaluation of the US dollar due to inflation. This initial investment was just the beginning. Over the next few years, MicroStrategy continued to accumulate Bitcoin aggressively, eventually becoming the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin in the world. As of 2023, the company holds over 152,000 BTC, worth billions of dollars at the making of this recording. Saylor himself has also purchased Bitcoin with his personal funds, further demonstrating his conviction in the cryptocurrency. Saylor has described Bitcoin as digital gold and the apex property of the human race.
Every one of you knows someone. Go tell a CEO, go tell your father, go tell your mother, go tell somebody that Bitcoin's going to change the world and they should figure out more about it. Because the number one thing you can do is educate the world on Bitcoin. What's the best crypto proof of work asset? Bitcoin is the best. Obviously, there is no second best proof of work asset. Ethereum on proof of work. Well, if it's been sitting there for 4, 5, 6 years, I think one thing. Then when you change it all to proof of stake, the clock starts again for 3 to 5 years after the proof of stake switchover. The huge institutional money is going to wait until the idea has seasoned, and they're going to have to view it to be reliable and dependable. There's no second best crypto. Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Bitcoin is the only crypto that's going to cross the chasm.
Now that we have explored why Kaspa might align with Saylor's investment philosophy, let's dive into some speculation. Could Michael Saylor already be investing in Kaspa? Saylor has been known to keep his investment strategies under wraps until he's ready to make a public announcement. If he were to reveal an interest in Kaspa, it could drive up the price, making it more expensive for himself to accumulate. This kind of strategic silence wouldn't be out of character for someone as calculated as Michael Saylor. As we discussed, Crypto Crew, Kaspa's focus on scalability, security, and energy efficiencies aligns closely with Saylor's criteria for evaluating cryptocurrencies. It wouldn't be surprising if he saw Kaspa as a complementary asset to Bitcoin, especially given its innovative approach to proof of work. While Saylor is a staunch Bitcoin maxi, he has acknowledged the potential for other cryptocurrencies to succeed in specific niches.
And so the entire industry is kind of destined to be rationalized down to a Bitcoin-focused industry with maybe a half a dozen to a dozen other proof-of-work tokens.
Kaspa's unique features could make it a compelling addition to his portfolio, even if he remains primarily focused on Bitcoin.
What other cryptocurrency should you buy? What's the next Bitcoin? Well,
what is really telling is the fact that you got these big companies like Grayscale, one of the 3 largest crypto fund and asset managers, and one of the biggest Bitcoin holders with over 220,000 Bitcoins. Grayscale manages digital assets, a total of $50 billion and is considering Kaspa, which would cause mass adoption. Then there's another financial giant in Marathon Digital, the biggest Bitcoin miner. When it comes to crypto next to BTC, only mines Kaspa.
1 kilowatt of energy for me generates 8 cents of Bitcoin value. 1 kilowatt of Kaspa generates $1. I can use that dollar to buy Bitcoin.
Kaspa is
it's a proof of work coin. That's one of the up-and-coming coins.
Got it.
Kaspa's had a great run. It's gone from under a penny to over 18 cents.
Marathon Digital has kept quiet about mining Kaspa until the summer of 2024, when it revealed it has been mining Kaspa since September of 2023. Also, Marathon Digital has mentioned to double down on mining Kaspa, one of the reasons being to buy more Bitcoin. And with Kaspa scaling up to 10 blocks per second starting in Q1 of 2025, preceding Kaspa's native smart contracts, knowing that this is Kaspa's first bull run, more eyes will be on Kaspa, including Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy.
You do not sell your Bitcoin. Thank you. Thank you.
Saylor's belief in Bitcoin as the ultimate store of value is unwavering, but that doesn't mean he's blind to the potential of other innovative projects. Kaspa, with its energy-efficient proof-of-work system, strong decentralization, and scalability, seems to check many of the boxes Saylor looks for in a crypto project. While there's no public evidence that Michael Saylor is investing in Kaspa currently, the possibility is intriguing, and it is something the crypto community will be watching closely. What do you think, crypto crew? Could Michael Saylor be quietly accumulating Kaspa as we speak, or is he sticking to his Bitcoin-only strategy? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Keep in mind, crypto crew, whatever you are invested in, success during this 2024-2025 bull run depends on the conviction in your crypto picks, whilst employing long suffering or patience. And not only so, but we glory in tribulations also, knowing that tribulation worketh patience, and patience experience, and experience hope.
Stick around.
Fix your mind before you get to the grind. And with that said, let's continue to escape the matrix. Let's continue to be on the lookout for the next big thing here on the crypto ocean, growing grace, and let's make some crypto waves. Say aye.